Craving smoky, spicy, and juicy chicken? Let's make authentic Jamaican jerk chicken at home. Chicken thighs or drumsticks, 1 kilogram. 1 large onion, chopped. 3 to 4 green onions, chopped. 4 garlic cloves. 1 thumb-sized ginger. 2 scotch bonnet peppers or habanero. Juice of 1 lime. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons vinegar. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon thyme. 2 teaspoons allspice. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add all marinade ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Coat the chicken well with the marinade, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. Grill the chicken over medium heat for 35 to 40 minutes, turning occasionally, until cooked through with a nice char. Alternatively, bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, then broil for extra smokiness. Serve hot with rice and peas, grilled pineapple, or a fresh salad. Every bite bursts with Caribbean flavor. If you love bold flavors, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.